see, ma'am. So as you can see, as I set it higher, the mist comes out. So the setting is set at 90. Mist comes out. Now here we go. Set it at 45 and the mist stops. So now, and now see, now if I click to set it, 50, 55, so now the mist starts coming out, 60, 65. My concern is, what do I set this at to maintain it at 45? To be honest, before I came up here, it was set at 90 and it was maintaining 44, 45. So that's why I'm trying to figure out what this number should be set at in order to maintain the humidity of the bedroom at 44, 45.